Hey, I'm going to show you how to get started with Google Analytics. So again, this is basic. I think we're 3 weeks into our test site here, the DigitalDemand.Consulting. So if you want to get started with Google Analytics, you just Google. I mean, you just Google it first. So it's changing to GA4, but you just go to Google Analytics. It'll help you get started. But basically, all you have to do is first you'll get the tag. So I have to go find it right here because I've already set it up. But when you're initially just signing up, like it'll walk you through those steps. But so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to do that on the back end. So here, let's see, data stream. So now I have to like refine the tag, but you won't have that problem if you're just setting up from scratch. Okay, so view tag instructions. Okay, so during the setup, you'll get hit with a screen like this, and you'll say, do you want to install it through your website builder or just install manually? Manually is pretty easy. Google Tag Manager is also pretty easy, but I'm just going to show you how to do the tag one or the pixel. You just copy the code that they give you, and then you go to your website. Let's go to the back of the website. And I've shown this on the Facebook one and the LinkedIn one. All of these are very similar. I installed a plugin called Insert Header Footer. So now I have this little code snippets, and I can go to my header footer and I just paste that code in. So I think this one says, this one says that you're dropping it into, I already lost it. I think you're dropping it into the header. So on my website, I would go to the code snippets and I'd go to header footer. And I would just paste that code into my header, and then I would save. So just copy the code from Google Analytics, paste it into your website global header. A tool like Insert Header Footer makes it really easy, and then you'll get a signal. Obviously, there's much more we can do with Google Analytics, like setting up conversions and different intent signals. But the very basic, just install it so that you can start seeing traffic come in. That's all there is to that. And I'll probably cover, we'll do Google Search Campaign next.